back to my palace. Today at the palace we have a polygel nail video for you guys. We're gonna start using this Biutee kit I got off of Amazon. It is a glow-in-the-dark polygel nail kit. We're gonna be using our dual forms today. As you can see, I have them laid out. Be sure to go ahead and pick out the ones for your nails. You want your dual forms to be a little bit larger than your actual fingernail, so that way you can put that polygel up underneath. They come in that bag, as you can see right there. I recommend that they sort them out by sizes and put them separately in bags or a box that's separated. But yeah, they all come in that one little bag. And we're gonna go over what we get in our kit today. So as y'all can see, I'm kind of half in the camera, half out the camera. Let me apologize for that now, because throughout this video you're going to see a little bit today. I try to keep in all the clips that are more in the camera than out of the camera, but yeah. So you're going to get a nail file and a buffer with this kit. You're going to get a top coat and a base coat as well. You're going to get a slip solution. And then some nail forms. You're not gonna see me use nail forms in this video. I'm only gonna use it if I need to clean up something. Also, you're going to go ahead and get your brush. And then we're gonna go over the colors that you get, your polygel colors. You get a pink, a blue, a green, a rose red, a purple, a white, and an orange. You can see me laying out the colors that I'm going to use for this video. We're going to be using the orange, the green, and then at the end I decided to add in blue. It's going to be more of an abstract type of nail art that I'm doing. You also don't want to forget that you are going to need a UV/LOD nail lap, but we're going to start off with nail prep. So be sure to file, buff down your nails, clip, however you want it to look. Nail prep is definitely going to be the first step. I've already started doing some of my nails. So here you're going to see me do one nail. I'm going to fill in my nail with the dual form with the polygel, and we're going to want it to go ahead and put it in, flatten it in so that it's a little thinner around the cuticles, but also you still want it thick around the center of the nail to make sure that you're getting that base so the nail doesn't break. Here you're going to see me take the slip solution, dip it out in the brush, and then I'm dipping it on, or I'm patting down my polygel. Also, if you don't have slip solution, use alcohol. I think I did have slip solution, but I end up using alcohol anyway. And then once you get it in there right nice, you put the colors in how you want it to lay. This nail, it was the blue and the green as a marble effect. So once I got it in there right nice, I wanted to go ahead and prime my natural nail. I'm using the ASP Acidless Primer. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and add my base coat. Apply base coat to your natural nail, and then we're going to cure under that light for at least 60 seconds. And then after it's cured, it's time to go ahead and set that dual form with the polygel in it on top of your natural nail. You're going to give it a little press, but not too much of a press. Make sure it's laying flat underneath the nail as well, and not underneath all glued up underneath your natural nail, if that makes any type of sense. But then we're going to go ahead and put that under the light and cure as well. Alright, once we cured it for as long as it took to get it to harden, 90 seconds, or 120 if you do a little longer, go ahead and pull up that clear dual form up off your nail. And then it's time to file, buff, shape, and get it so that your nails look good. Alright, once it's all filed, buffed, and shaped, it's time to apply our top coat. Alright, once you applied that top coat, it's time to go ahead and cure underneath the lamp. And then once that is all done, you can see how my nails look. But then we're going to go ahead and apply our cuticle oil onto our cuticles because they've been through a lot. Alright, once that's all done, you can see me rubbing it in and then taking a good look at our nails. Before we head to our nail cam, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you learned anything. Shout out to y'all. Bye guys.